Dearest soul, this month is ready to bring you luck and support in your new beginnings. It's time to close the chapter that is not working for you and start fresh. In astrology, house number 7 is all about tranquility, inner peace, and luck. All the hard work will be paid off. Be curious, let your creativity flow. Break your cycles, change your routines, and figure out what is working best for you. Beautiful soul, your brand new life begins now. Your thinking is changing, your attitude is shifting. Your mindset is focusing on what is important, and you are no longer affected by the past. You have learned your lessons, and now you are ready to move into the brighter future with a soul full of love, freedom, and happiness. Type yes if you believe, and also subscribe the God Manifesto. Thank you.